Welcome to Ubuntu 12 Desktop. In this tutorial, I'll get you familiar with Ubuntu Desktop. This is desktop and we have installed Ubuntu on our computer. So this looks like Mac. If you're familiar with Windows and Mac, it would be very similar. When you right click upon that, you'll find several options like create new folder, create new document, organize desktop by name, and etc. Last one will be change the desktop background. So when you click upon that, appearance will come up from all settings, and from here you can actually select the desktop background you want. We will let it be and close this for now. We can create folders here and operate our entire computer from our desktop. You'll find the voice option, time, settings, about your computer. You'll find all the details of your computer just right here. Some default application that comes along with Ubuntu and other details. From here, you can get Ubuntu help, system settings, lock, log out, restart and shut down your computer. This was a quick and basic introduction to the desktop interface of Ubuntu. Thank you.